Hi everyone, it's Christine. Welcome back to Spirit. Today I'm going to teach you how to cleanse your skin like a spa professional at home. One of the best parts of a spa facial is the cleanse. So let's get into how to bring that home. Choose your favorite cleanser. I prefer a milky cleanser when I'm doing my cleanse at home. And we're going to get it all over our face, neck, and chest. So get your hands full of cleanser and start applying. You should see it on your face and feel it. When we start cleansing, it's really important to use our whole hand and use sweeping movements. So I'm going to start with my chest, go up. This is a chance to massage, move lymph, oxygenate the tissues. Really work the cleanser in. When I get to the face, I like to do some sculpting. So I'm going to use my hands, the side of the cheek, right in front of the ear. Make sure you finish there. On the cheek here, you can do some sculpting of the cheekbone. This should feel good too. Like you should feel like you're giving yourself a little self-massage. I'll go around the eye area. Use one finger in and around the other. I always support my face with my other hand as well. Look to give yourself a little mini facelift or eyebrow lift. You can either give yourself some pinches in there. This is just as much about giving yourself a little bit of self-massage and care as it is about cleansing the skin. Once I'm finished coming all the way up to the top, it's time for rinsing. Water actually brightens your complexion by calming down inflammation and redness. So dip your gauze in, make sure it's not too wet, and then we're just going to rinse the face off and the neck and the chest. But this time, I'm just trying to remove the product. Don't be afraid to flip sides if you get makeup or any other debris on the gauze or the face cloth. And now you're ready for the rest of your routine in the evening or the morning.